Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. I'll break down what's free in Canva and what features you might have to pay for. Click Create, select Custom Size, then choose your desired dimensions. In Templates, browse and select from the available free templates. Here are free templates on the Sign page under the Templates tab. Choose any template here, for example this one without a logo for Pinium. You can access and use many templates available on this site. Click Edit to modify the video. Use the filter to change it to any option you like. Note that there is no map included in this video. Go to Elements and select Photos. Here, you'll see a female image. Any image with this logo is premium, indicating it requires a paid subscription to use. You can add this element and use it independently without linking it to your email account. Type a filter, click Free, then press Enter. Next, click Show Filters to apply and view the filtered results. Select the free option and apply it. Now you can see the objects marked as free, along with the purple highlights indicating these elements. Canva is a free website with optional premium plans. The education plan is also free if you apply and get approved by Canva. No payment is required initially to use Canva, making it accessible for everyone. Apply for the education plan to unlock additional features at no cost once approved. Canva Education is available for free, but some features require a premium subscription. For example, the background remover tool is premium only. However, you can use other websites to remove backgrounds. Simply go online and search for a background remover. Upload your image, remove the background, then download the edited image. After that, you can upload this image back into Canva and use it without needing the premium feature. This way, you can access advanced editing options without upgrading your Canva plan. Upload your image here and use the background removal tool. Once the background is removed, you can download the edited image directly from the site. You can use tools without premium requirements. This tool, for example, doesn't require a premium account. It allows you to adjust the temperature of the image easily. Adjust saturation, sharpness, and clarity here. Some tools work without needing a black background. Fill this in for free, then click Share and Download to save your image as a PNG file. Scroll down and click the Download button. Now you know if Canva is free or not. Hit like and subscribe for more quick tips.